If you want to get best hair waver according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have Blackhead Hair Waver. The Blackhead Hair Waver is a game changer for anyone looking to achieve stunning, beachy waves with minimal effort. This innovative styling tool has quickly become a favorite among hair enthusiasts and professionals alike, and for good reason. One of the standout features of the Blackhead Hair Waver is its design. It boasts a unique triple barrel configuration that creates effortlessly tousled waves in a matter of minutes. The barrels are coated with tourmaline and ceramic, which not only ensures even heat distribution but also minimizes frizz and damage to the hair. The waver also heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature throughout the styling process, allowing for quick and efficient results. Another aspect that sets the Blackhead Hair Waver apart is its versatility. The adjustable temperature settings make it suitable for all hair types, from fine and straight to thick and coarse. Additionally, the waver features a 360-degree swivel cord that allows for easy maneuverability, preventing any tangling or discomfort during use. The performance of the Blackhead Hair Waver is truly impressive. It effortlessly creates beautiful, natural-looking waves that last for hours. The barrels are the perfect size, producing waves that are neither too tight nor too loose. Whether you're going for a casual, everyday look or a glamorous, red carpet-worthy style, this waver delivers stunning results every time. Furthermore, the Blackhead Hair Waver is incredibly user-friendly. Its ergonomic design and simple operation make it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The on-off switch and temperature control are conveniently placed for easy access, and the tool is lightweight, making it comfortable to hold and maneuver. In conclusion, the Blackhead Hair Waver is a must-have styling tool for anyone who wants to achieve gorgeous, effortless waves. With its exceptional design, versatility, and impressive performance, it has rightfully earned its reputation as a top-notch hair waver. Say goodbye to boring, straight hair and hello to fabulous waves with the Blackhead Hair Waver. Moving on to the next at number 2 with BabylissPRO Curling Iron. The BabylissPRO Curling Iron is a professional-grade styling tool that has gained a loyal following among hairstylists and enthusiasts alike. With its advanced features and outstanding performance, it's no wonder that this curling iron is highly regarded in the industry. One of the standout features of the BabylissPRO Curling Iron is its exceptional heat technology. It utilizes a ceramic barrel infused with tourmaline, which not only ensures even heat distribution but also helps to seal in moisture and reduce frizz. This means that you can achieve smooth, shiny curls without sacrificing the health of your hair. The curling iron also heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, allowing for efficient and precise styling. Another aspect that sets the BabylissPRO Curling Iron apart is its versatility. With various barrel sizes available, you can create a range of curl styles, from tight ringlets to loose, beachy waves. The curling iron also features adjustable temperature settings, making it suitable for all hair types. Whether you have fine, delicate hair or thick, coarse locks, you can customize the heat to ensure optimal results without causing damage. The performance of the BabylissPRO Curling Iron is exceptional. The smooth, glide-through design of the barrel ensures effortless styling, preventing hair from snagging or getting tangled. The curls created with this curling iron are long-lasting and hold their shape well throughout the day. You can expect salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Furthermore, the BabylissPRO Curling Iron is designed with user convenience in mind. It features a comfortable, ergonomic handle that allows for easy maneuverability and control. The long swivel cord provides flexibility during styling, reducing any restrictions or tangles. The curling iron also has a safety feature, automatically shutting off after a certain period of inactivity, providing peace of mind. In conclusion, the BabylissPRO Curling Iron is a top-notch styling tool that delivers professional results. With its advanced heat technology, versatility, and outstanding performance, it's a favorite among hairstylists and beauty enthusiasts for a good reason. If you're looking to achieve flawless, long-lasting curls with ease, this curling iron is a fantastic investment. The number 3 position is held by Revlon Hair Waver Iron. The Revlon Hair Waver Iron is a popular and affordable styling tool that promises to deliver gorgeous, voluminous waves effortlessly. With its unique design and user-friendly features, it has become a go-to choice for those seeking to achieve stunning beachy waves at home. One of the standout features of the Revlon Hair Waver Iron is its triple barrel design. The 3 barrels work together to create beautiful, defined waves with incredible ease. The barrels are coated with a ceramic material that helps distribute heat evenly and protect the hair from excessive damage. The size of the barrels is also ideal, producing waves that are neither too tight nor too loose, giving you that coveted beachy look. Another aspect that sets the Revlon Hair Waver Iron apart is its simplicity and convenience. It heats up quickly, allowing you to start styling in no time. The temperature control is easy to use, providing flexibility to adjust the heat according to your hair type and desired style. Additionally, the iron has a swivel cord that rotates 360 degrees, giving you the freedom to move around without any tangling or limitations. The performance of the Revlon Hair Waver Iron is impressive, especially considering its affordable price point. It effortlessly creates natural-looking waves that last for hours. The waves are consistent throughout the hair, ensuring a uniform and stylish look. Whether you want to achieve loose, tousled waves or more defined curls, this iron delivers excellent results. Furthermore, the Revlon Hair Waver Iron is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it easy to maneuver and style your hair. The handle is designed for a secure grip, allowing for precise control over the waves. The iron also has a safety feature that automatically shuts off after a period of inactivity, giving you peace of mind. In conclusion, the Revlon Hair Waver Iron is a budget-friendly option for achieving beautiful waves at home. With its triple barrel design, user-friendly features, and impressive performance, it offers great value for the price. If you're looking to add some texture and volume to your hair without breaking the bank, this hair waver iron is worth considering. Next at number 4, we have Conair Hair Waver. The Conair Hair Waver is a versatile and affordable styling tool that allows you to effortlessly create stunning waves and add texture to your hair. With its user-friendly design and reliable performance, it has become a popular choice for both beginners and experienced hairstylists. One of the standout features of the Conair Hair Waver is its innovative triple barrel design. The 3 barrels work together to create beautiful, natural-looking waves with minimal effort. The barrels are coated with ceramic material, which helps distribute heat evenly and reduces the risk of heat damage to the hair. The size of the barrels is also ideal, producing waves that are neither too tight nor too loose, giving you a versatile range of styling options. Another aspect that sets the Conair Hair Waver apart is its ease of use. It heats up quickly, saving you time and allowing you to start styling right away. The temperature control is straightforward, with adjustable settings to accommodate different hair types and desired styles. The waver also features a swivel cord that rotates 360 degrees, providing flexibility and preventing any cord tangling during use. The performance of the Conair Hair Waver is reliable and consistent. It creates beautiful, long-lasting waves that hold their shape throughout the day. The waves are consistent from root to tip, ensuring a seamless and professional finish. Whether you want to achieve beachy waves, loose curls, or more defined texture, this hair waver delivers excellent results. Furthermore, the Conair Hair Waver is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it easy to maneuver and style your hair. The handle is designed for a secure grip, allowing for precise control over the waves. The waver also has a safety feature that automatically shuts off after a period of inactivity, providing peace of mind. In conclusion, the Conair Hair Waver is a reliable and affordable option for creating beautiful waves and adding texture to your hair. With its triple barrel design, user-friendly features, and consistent performance, it offers great value for the price. If you're looking for an easy-to-use and effective hair waver that won't break the bank, the Conair Hair Waver is definitely worth considering. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Hot Tools Hair Waver. The Hot Tools Hair Waver is a professional-grade styling tool that delivers exceptional results for those seeking effortlessly gorgeous waves. With its advanced technology, high-quality construction, and impressive performance, it has gained a strong reputation among hairstylists and beauty enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Hot Tools Hair Waver is its unique deep wave barrel design. The barrel is larger than traditional wavers, allowing for deep, voluminous waves that make a bold statement. The barrel is made of high-quality materials, such as CE,